Hi everyone and welcome back to the Shabby Doll House. My name is Laura. Thank you so much for being here with me today. So in my last video I made these hardcover needle books and I asked you to comment and let me know if you wanted to see a tutorial. So that is what this is today. I'm going to show you how I made this. So of course you're going to need a hardcover book. I recommend getting one with a spine of 1 inch or larger. This one's not quite an inch, but I'm going to try to make it work anyway because this is the last book I have this size. So what I'm going to do is gut this book and I will be right back. Okay, so I took the pages out. Now you want to be extremely careful when you do that because if you're not careful, you can rip your spine. So the first thing I'm going to do is you're going to get a piece of this is vellum, but you're going to need some tracing paper. I didn't have any tracing paper. So what I did was I used tracing paper and just so you can see through it, just make it a little smaller than the inside and cut 4 of these from felt. Okay, after you get your square cut out, you're going to make 4 pieces of felt, and you don't have to do that part. You can just cover your whole book, but the way that I did it is exactly how I'm showing you. So I already have mine cut out and I already have them decorated with my fabric and my lace. So this is just an example of what they will look like when you get done. So after you do that, you're going to get your book. And you can cover it with fabric if you want, but I'm going to use, where did it go? I'm going to use this craft bat, okay? Hopefully it won't be too thick for me for this book because it won't close if I do it too thick. I make it too thick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this part on and I'll be right back. Alright, I have it almost completely covered now. Make sure that you have plenty of hot glue if you do it this way. Now that we have our book completely covered, we're going to get some lace and we're going to wrap the whole thing front and back. And I'm just going to use this lace here. So I'm going to cover it and I will be right back. Okay, so now it is covered with the lace. Now I did not worry about this being even and all that because that's going to get covered up. You're not even going to see that. So the next thing you want to do is, if you want a closure, something to tie it closed with, you're going to go ahead and put that on. Now this is just some pieces of ripped curtain. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Now these are way too long. I'm going to cut them. Try to get it right in the middle. So if you just do the steps like I'm telling you to do, you will get it done faster. If you go ahead and get your covers ready. So now we are going to, I want to go ahead and glue the inside. And I don't know if I want to add a ruffle trim down the middle or not. So let me see. I have this one here. Yeah, I might add that. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these on, and I'll be right back. Now we have these glued down. I'm going to go ahead and glue down this ruffle. Because you can never have enough ruffles, right? Okay, we'll cut that off. And we will work on our cover. Alright, hopefully we have enough of that left for the front. So this is completely glued down. I took my time, and what I did was I squirted a bunch in the middle first, put it down, and then I went around the edges with the glue gun and did the same thing with this. So there's the inside, and we have a pocket here. I forgot to mention you need to get you another little piece of felt, or you can just simply glue or sew down a piece of lace on this one for your pocket. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my cover, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue it and be right back. Alrighty y'all, so I have the front done and the back. So if you do that step with decorating these first and then work on your book, all you need to do is glue these on and you're done. It's that easy. I know it looked easy and everything, but it does take some time. But I hope that y'all like this quick little tutorial. So I was thinking, I'm going to put some scissors and some pins in here, but I was thinking of doing a little giveaway. So I wanted to get to 2,000 subs before the end of this year, but it didn't happen, but it's okay. I will still do a giveaway when I get to 2,000, but since it's Christmas time, it's the time for giving. I would like to give this away, and I will have two winners. The first winner will win this, and the second winner will win a big bag of laces and trims. So for you to be entered into this giveaway, you have to live in the US, you have to be subscribed to my channel, like my video, and comment down below and let me know if you want to be in this giveaway. So next week, next Friday, I'm going to come on here and pick two winners. So I hope that you all have a wonderful day, and let me know what you think of this tutorial. And please comment down below if you'd like to share my video. I would love that. And I will see y'all next week. So good luck to you all. Sorry, that was my wood thing making noise. So good luck to you all, and I will see y'all next week. Bye y'all.